Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video, we will discuss about OConnect tutorial. It is available in our ecosystem. How to access the tutorial, you will get full information on this, and this will be very useful for all the founders. We will be able to know the more about OConnect, the features available in our OConnect 14 days free trial. So stay tuned. My dear friend, how to access OConnect tutorial? Please log into your ecosystem, and if you have activated your OConnect free 14 days free trial, you will find the logo OConnect. So please click there, OConnect, and whoever has not activated, I will give a video link so you can activate your OConnect free tutorial, free trial. Now, once you click OConnect dashboard, you will get it. In dashboard, webinar, library, my contact, archive, my calendar, and you will get a tutorial button. Please click tutorial button, and once you click the tutorial button, you will get full information very systematically. After clicking tutorial, webinar dashboard, then how to create webinar, enter event name, meeting agenda, set the timer. You can set the timer and duration webinar, set the time zone, then create event, how to join webinar, to start meeting. Also, you will get bottom up the OConnect. You will get all the features like AV view, then presentation. You can open your presentation, you can upload document, you can select videos, upload videos. All these features systematically you will be able to navigate. Then whiteboard, then screen sharing, poll of features, questions, chat, mute and unmute options. Then you can invite new attendees, virtual background you can set, you can choose the theme, then background music you can select, you get the prompter, timer, you can set timer for attendees or speakers, you get the calculator, you'll get screen capture, resound, all the features. It will take you in very systematic way, and you will learn about OConnect more. Then this will be very useful. My dear friend, there are 19 buttons up there, and all buttons are working very smoothly. And also there is an option you can block or unblock any attendees. So my dear friend, please go through the tutorial. This is very helpful, and it will make you very conversant about our OConnect. That's all in this video. Hope this is useful. Thank you.